In conclusion, a creative learning environment creates exciting opportunities and a commitment to nurture the academic, physical, social, and emotional well-being of all. Please recite with me the Estelle Elementary Family Pledge.
Our school is our house and our house is our home. Build wheels, the water of our house. We interchange greetings and part friends. Our teachers inspire us to be successful, and we constantly invoke principles which uplift our family and bring on to our community. Education is
At all times, we look into the vision, and excellence is the expectation. To some of them hope of the future, to others we are leaders of tomorrow. In fact, we are a house of excellence, and academy, a school for learning and learning. We are ES, the Cougars. The candy shaped for the rubber program is confident. Confident people are self-aware and assertive every day. They view challenges as opportunities to learn. They maintain positive interactions and abilities to celebrate the success of others. They only take alert, statement, and decisive, trusting their own judgment